This is a Swift hot water service. You can see your external fluid points here. The two screws here undo this if you need to get to the inside of the unit. It should be regularly serviced, because when you don't use the Caravan, spiders, bugs, whatever can get inside the gas chamber which ignites, and that should be looked at least before you travel. Hi everyone, Allan back again. Just going to run through the hot water switches inside your Caravan. Electrical is for it says hot water electric. That can run off 240 volts. When you're at a caravan park, you plug it in and your 240 volts are there. If you want to go independently off grid or want to use your gas, you turn the electric off and you switch your gas on, which will then ignite your gas.